good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 9 from verse 2 to verse 13. Moses and Elijah talk with Jesus. After 6 days, Jesus take Peter, James and John with him, and the four of them go up on one high mountain. All of a sudden, Jesus start to change right in front of them. Him clothes turned white like a light. He did well white. No bleaching in the world couldn't bleach them white so. Then them see Elijah and Moses come turn up in front of him and talk to him. So Peter said to Jesus, say, Teacher, a good thing so we did there. Make we build up 3 sheds now. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Because them did tough, right? He never know what to say. Then one cloud come down, come cover them up. And them hear some voice in the cloud say, I feel me boy pick me this. Only if you listen what him say. Them turn around for look same time. But when them look, them not see nobody. Only them and Jesus one. And when Jesus and him follower them did come down the mountain, him give them order said enough to say nothing to nobody but what them did see till after the man where God picked dead and come back alive. So them keep it to themselves and talk about it amongst them one another. And I wonder what he mean when him say when him dead and come back alive. Then them ask him say, what make the law teacher them say that Elijah must come back first before the one where God sent to save people come? Jesus answered them say, Elijah come for true, forget everything pan track. But when we gonna think it right down say, the man where God pick, we have to go through enough sufferation and people are going to treat him like say, him and nobody. But me I tell you now, Elijah come already. And some people do him all what them did want to do him. Just like how it write down. Say them wouldn't do him. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.